Ladies and gentlemen, this video is about removing another pop-up window that displays intrusive web push notifications. This time the pop-up comes from the website Downherstorstitone.pro. Well, it's really hard to pronounce, I'm sorry if I made some mistakes, but actually I've made this website highlighted, Downherstorstitone.pro. It tells that there is just one more step and that you need to allow to continue. Obviously, clicking on the allow button is a serious mistake because once you do that, your browser will be hijacked. This may happen with Google Chrome, with Mozilla Firefox, and possibly with some other browsers. Now, the website tries to show intrusive web push notifications whenever you surf the web. So if you click on the allow button, these push notifications will be enabled and you will start receiving these pop-ups everywhere around. I will on purpose click on this allow button just to show you how to disable these particular pop-ups. Now go to Google Chrome settings, scroll down to advanced, click on site settings and then on notifications. You will find this website here, click here and select remove. This should basically fix all these problems. However, I additionally recommend you to scan your Mac, since I'm talking in my video primarily about Mac computers. My recommendation is that you scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may download it from the website combocleaner.com using this green download Combo Cleaner button, and afterwards install the program and run scanning with it. After you launch the application, it will update its antivirus database and it might take a while. Afterwards, the database will be updated and will help you to detect and delete all malware available in your Mac. So once this is done, you need to click on Start Combo Scan button to initiate scanning of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So wait until the scanning is completed and remove all the threads. You may do it with the Combo Cleaner Premium version. So I first showed you the manual, the free way to remove those pop-ups, and Combo Cleaner Premium is the alternative solution. Thank you very much for your attention. Please subscribe. Bye.